Spring is finally here, and over the last few weeks, I've been busy starting seedlings to prep for the growing season. From snapdragons to tomatoes to corn, my garden will be abundant with organic goodness, and I'm so excited to watch it bloom. If this is your first time watching this channel, hello and welcome. My name is Janetta, and I hope this video relaxes you and gets you just excited to grow this year as I am. I'll be sharing the garden progress here and over on my Insta, so follow along. One of the essentials for any garden is herbs. They are aromatic and add depth of flavor essential to any dish. Right now, I'm starting a few of my favorites and trying out the pelleting method. All you have to do is add warm water to this container and wait for the pellets to expand. Once done, drop 1 or 2 of the seeds into the little hole and cover with some soil. Here I'm starting cilantro, parsley, rosemary, thyme, and sage. Now I'm on to onions. I'll be planting 2 types in my garden, a sweet white onion and bunching onions, which are sort of like scallions. These take quite a while to reach maturity, so I'm starting these about 8 weeks before they need to be planted in the garden. Later, the seeds have germinated, and it's time to transplant the seedlings into bigger pots to allow their roots to grow. While I'm at it, I'll also start some more seedlings. This time I'm starting annual flowers and veggies. Starting annuals from seed allows me to not only save money, but try out different flowers not commonly found in the garden center. Same goes for the unique varieties of your favorite veggies. Additionally, you can start a lot of veggies by harvesting the seeds from bell peppers or tomatoes you've purchased from your grocery store. It's a few weeks later and it's time to transplant more flowers. After transplanting, I always like to give them a much needed boost of nitrogen with some diluted fish fertilizer. This stuff is potent, I'm just warning you now. Every few weeks, I'll start more flowers and veggies until I run out of room under my grow lights. And once the garden is set up and we're in the clear from those freezing, frosty nights, the plants will go outside in their permanent homes, and I'll continue to succession plant into the summer. Gardening is one of those hobbies that have brought me tremendous joy over the years and has really helped alleviate my anxiety this past year. So I hope this video gave you some inspiration to go and get gardening. And if you have any questions, feel free to pop them in the comments down below. I'll also link a couple of my other gardening videos and houseplant videos. And if you're curious about my gardening, I will have a ton of more videos filmed for you. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!